Hey there! Today we are going to make a few different types of pizzas. I have pizza dough that I made earlier today and it's ready to go. I want to try a variety of stuff and I'm going to try, well, first of all, something a little weird. So yesterday was Easter and we have some leftovers. So we've got some turkey here and some stuffing and there was some gravy as well. So I'm going to start off with like a turkey stuffing apple with some mushrooms kind of thing just to see, well, hopefully it doesn't suck. It's either going to be great or the worst. We'll find out. So this sauce base that we've got here is actually my regular pizza sauce, but it's about 50-50 pizza sauce and gravy. Again, experiment time. Let's see what happens here. So I'm just going to toss some of this onto here. Kind of spread it out. Really like using a spoon for this, just like a large soup spoon. Works super well to get the sauce all around it. Just a touch more here. That all on there. Don't want it much thicker than that. That'll be beautiful. Since I want some mushrooms on this, I'm going to put the mushrooms on before I put the cheese. Normally we like cheese underneath everything, but I find mushrooms are really nice to have underneath because that way they don't get dried out and kind of weird, which I find happens. I find that happens when you've got them on top with the direct heat on them. So we'll just kind of get some mushrooms spread around here. It's looking good. Now, some mozzarella. Just a little bit of cheese on here. Touch more around. Okay, and now time for, let's get this turkey on here. And some stuffing, which we've just kind of chunked up. This is beautiful stuffing. Had lots of nice fresh herbs, and it had Italian sausage and stuff in it. A little bit of that. And some apple. Just get some of this on here. This will give a little bit of sweetness, which should cut through the saltiness from the turkey, from that gravy, from the stuffing. And it'll be fun. Let's see. All right, I think that there probably about good. Okay, so I'm going to fire this in the oven for about 10 or 11 minutes, just until it starts to look awesome. The oven's obviously already preheated at 500 degrees. So let's get this sucker in here. Cross your fingers. Okay, let's see how it turned out. It's been about 11 minutes. Okay, look at that. Oh, some apple trying to slide off there. So we're gonna let this cool down just a little bit, then slice, and we will test it out. Okay, inquiring minds want to and need to know, how does this taste? The turkey, gravy, stuffing, turkey itself, and apple pizza? Well, let's find out. Super delicious. You get that beautiful, rich, and surprisingly still moist turkey. There's the gravy in there. It's beautiful. You have the earthiness of the mushrooms, the apple, the sweetness. Absolutely delightful. Okay, I would 100% do this pizza again. This is going to be a staple following Thanksgiving and Easter from now on. So, yeah, don't be afraid to take risks in making pizzas. Keep it out of